finishing up editing this morning. Been working on that, and now we are headed out to a volcano and a waterfall.
It's exciting.
Welcome, guys.
Hey!
How was your night?
It was awesome.
Oh yeah?
Where did you guys go?
We went to a place called the Club Rogue. 57 more minutes.
57
57.
minutes more?
Yeah.
How long was it altogether?
Lauren has to stay with the sleeping baby. Enjoy the waterfall. Look at that though, guys. Worth the drive. It's funny, you can smell all the brakes on the cars. There's a path we're gonna go try and get behind the waterfall. Don't slip. Well, that was awesome. Very much enjoyed that.
Okay, I'm sorry, that's
Turn around up here.
Yeah. Is it? No.
Not really sure what's going on. We started heading up the road to the volcano, and then there's a bunch of traffic, and then all the cars stopped and everyone started turning around. So we don't know why we turned around, but we're following suit with everyone else. Alex and Shay ran up the hill to go see what's going on. So we just asked these people over here, and they said there's just a lot of people there today, so people don't want to go. They're just turning around on the road, I guess.
No, it's just busy. As I said, it's just one car in, one car out. But it's like way up there still. So.
Okay. Just go find a restaurant then, get something to eat. We're going to head over to the Multi-Plaza, which is like a big mall, to find a book for Hudson in Spanish. We forgot books to read him, and we thought it's probably a good time to get some Spanish books for him. Libreria Internacional. You like that one? 600, 100, 200. What the heck? I don't like these 200s. I need two different 200s. All right. Easy. Una noche iluminada por la luna. Exhibición de trote circense. Maybe we're not doing him any favors. Reading this dude.